Welcome to this session. Today we will be doing the questions based on finding the angles of the trigonometric functions. So, firstly we will be finding the value of sine 18 degree. How to find this value of sine 18? Now, what we have to do, we say that let 18 degree equal to say x, and this implies that 5x equal to 90 degree. That implies we can write 5x as 3x plus 2x. Now, what can we do here? We can write in place of 5x, we can write 90 degree, or minus 2x, we can take it to this side and equal to 3x. Now, what we do here, we put cos on both sides, means cos 90 minus 2x equal to cos 3x. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Sin 2x equal to cos 3x. Now, what is sin 2x? Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x, and what is cos 3x? 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Here we can take cos x common. So, 4 cos square x minus 3, and here what it will be? 2 sin x cos x. Here x is not equal to 0, that we are knowing. So, here we can cancel cos x. Now, what are we having? So, this is 2 sin x is equal to 4. We can convert this cos to 1 minus sin square x minus 3. So, like this means 2 sin x is equal to 4 minus 4 sin square x minus 3. We can bring all the terms to one side, means 4 sin square x minus 2 plus 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. So, we have got one quadratic equation in terms of sin x, that 4 sin square x plus 2 sin x minus 1 equal to 0. Now, what we have to do? We have to just rub this little part, we have to rub, and now see here what we can do. We have to use Sridharacharya formula to find the value of this sin x equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 4 minus 4, a is 4 into minus 1 upon 2a, 2 into 4, and this equal to minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 by 8. Now, here what it will be? This is minus 2 and this is 20. 4 plus 16 is 20. 20 means 4 into 5. Square root of 4 is 2. So, 2 root 5 by 8. That means we can take 2 common. So, minus 1 plus root 5 by 8. This we can cancel. So, the value of sin x, what is x? X is nothing but 18 degree. So, we can write sin 18 degree equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Now, if we are knowing the value of this, we can write this as sin 90 minus 72 degree, and this equal to cos 72 degree. And what is this? So this is root 5 minus 1 by 4, means sin 18 and cos 72 degree are having the same value. Now we have to find the value of cos 36. Now we have to find the value of cos 36. If we are knowing the value of sin 18, we can find the value of cos 36. Cos 36 degree means we can write this as cos 2 into 18 degree, and this is 1 minus 2 sin square 18 degree. Cos 2x formula we are using here, sin value we are having here, so 1 minus 2 into root 5 minus 1 by 4 square. Square of this we can write. So this is 1 minus 2, 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 upon 16. This we can cancel. This is 8. So this is 1 minus 2 can be common, 5 plus 1 is 6. So I can take 2 common. So 3 minus, how much it will be? Root 5 upon, how much? We can write here 8. So this can be cancelled, 4. Now what can we do here? We can write here 4 minus 3 plus root 5 upon 4, and this is 1 plus root 5 by 4, means cos 36 value is 1 plus root 5 by 4. Now we have to find the value of sin 36. Sin 36, this we can write, sin 36 degree equal to, this is cos 18 degree, cos 36, sorry. Sin 36 we can have under root 1 minus cos square 36 degree. This means under root 1 minus 1 plus root 5 by 4 whole square. Now here this one will be under root 4 minus, sorry, here 1 minus, so 1 plus 5 plus 2 root 5 by 16, and this is equal to 16 minus how much? 6 plus 2 root 5, or okay, 6 minus 2 root 5 by 16. We will not disturb this because we are having the square root of 16. So this is under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 16. Sorry, here it will be 4 because we are taking square root, so it is 4. This is sin 36. Now we are having the value of sin 18. What was the value of sin 18? This is root 5 minus 1 by 4. So cos 18 equal to under root 1 minus sin square 18 degree, means 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square, and that equal to 16 minus 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Here this one equal to 16, under root will be there, Here we can write 16 and here we can put under root. 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 by 4 we can write here. So this is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So we are having the value of sin 18, cos 18, cos 72. We can find the value of sin 72. This is the value of sin 72 as well. We are having 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Now sin 72 equal to cos 90 minus 72. This is 18 it will be, and this is 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Same value. Now see the 21st question. This we have to prove. What is cos pi by 5? Means cos 36 degree plus cos 108 degree. This is LHS. Cos 36 value we are knowing that root 5 minus 1 by 4. This is cos 36, sorry, plus this is cos 90 plus 18. This is like this. Cos 90 plus 18, and this equal to root 5 plus 4 by 4 plus sin 18 degree. What is it? Will be minus sign. Why? Because this is in second quadrant and cos is negative in second quadrant. So it is root 5 plus 4 by 4, not 4, 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. We can have the value root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4. Here these two will be getting cancelled. So 2 by 4 and 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. Now, I hope that you will be able to solve this sort of question. We will be doing question number 22. Question number 22. What it is? That sine 6 degree, sine 42 degree, sine 66 degree and sine 78 degree equal to 1 by 16. Prove. This we have to prove. Now, what we have to do here? We can take this and this together. So, we are having sine 6, sine 66. In the other one, we will be having sine 42 and sine 78. Now, to apply the formula, we should have here 2. Once we are having 2 here, so here it will be 1 by 2. We have multiplied and divided by 2. Now what it will be? So the formula is 2 sin A sin B is cos A minus B, 66 minus 6 into minus cos A plus B, this into half, or half we can write here 1 by 4. This is sin, again cos 78 minus 42 plus, sorry, minus cos 78 plus 42, this one. Now this is cos 60, this is cos 72 degree, this is cos how much, 36 degree, and this is cos 120 degree. This one we have got. Now this is 1 by 4, this is half, and cos 72 degree is root 5 minus 1 by 4. It is having the same value as sin 18 degree. So cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus this. Cos 120 is minus cos 60, that means plus cos 60. Cos 60 is, okay, I just write here 60 degree. This is there. So we can take LCM here. So it is what? 2 minus 5 plus 1, and here it will be how much? Or just wait here. We can do like this only, 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4, and here 1 by 2 plus root 5 plus 1 by 4. When we multiply, this 1 by 2 will be coming out. This into this means root 5 plus 1 by 4, and this into this minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. This into this we have got. So what is left then? 1 by 4 is left, and this into this is left, means minus root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 is 5 minus 1 by 4, this one. Now here when we take LCM, so 1 by 2 root 5 plus 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, and here this is 1, here 4 4s are 16 will be there, this is 4, and here it will be 16, because root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1, and 4 into 4 will be 16. So here 1 by 4. Now this 1 by 4 and this 1 by 4 will be getting cancelled. Here root 5 and root 5 will be getting cancelled. So 1 by 4, 1 by 2 into 2 by 4, 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. So answer will be 1 by 16. In the 22nd question, they have already given you the hint. You can find the answer, and We will be doing 24th question. Let us see which one is that. Now the cos x by 2 is given in the 23rd question. So you can use the formula for cos x. Cos x is 1 minus 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. You can put the value and you can find the answer. Sin x is under root 1 minus cos square x. You can find the answer. And then tan x is sin x upon cos x. You can find the answer for that also. So now the 24th question is tan x is equal to 12 upon 5 cos y equal to minus 3 upon 5 and x y are in the same quadrant. Calculate without use of table the value of sin x plus y. This we have to find. Now firstly the value, if I just open this is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What are we seeing? That tan is positive, cos is negative. Cos is negative in two quadrants, one is second and one is third. Tan is also negative in the second quadrant. So which quadrant it is? This is third quadrant. So with the quadrant is equal to third. Means xy belongs to quadrant third. Here we can use the Pythagoras theorem. We can make it 12, here 5. So here it will be 13. Here this is x, here this is y, this is 3, this is 5, this is 4. So what is the value of sin x? Sin x we can have from here. Sin x is 12 by 13. Which quadrant? Third quadrant, so it will be negative. Cos y is already negative, into minus 3 upon 5 plus cos x. Cos x is 5 by 13. This is minus y, third quadrant, into sin y. Sin y is this 4 by 5. Again this is minus y because this is third quadrant. Now this minus and minus will become plus. So how much it is? 36 by 65 plus this is 20 by 65 and answer will be 56 by 65. We can check our answer. Yes, this is correct. Now the second one is cos y by 2. Cos y value we are having. So first thing we have to see there, cos y by 2. Y is 180 degree is less than y is less than 270. Why? Because it lies in third quadrant. Now we need y by 2. So means 90 degree is less than y by 2 is less than 135 degree. Means in which quadrant this y by 2 lies. So y by 2 belongs to which quadrant? Second quadrant. It belongs to second quadrant. And what we have to find? Cos y by 2. So here I can rub this and I can put the value of this one. What is there? Cos y equal to 2 cos square y by 2 minus 1. This is there. We can take it to this side. Cos y. Cos y is minus 3 upon 5 equal to 2 cos square y by 2 minus 1. I can take this to this side. So 1 minus 3 upon 5 equal to 2 cos square y by 2. So this is 2 upon 5 equal to 2 cos square y by 2, and this got cancelled. Means 1 upon 5 equal to cos square y by 2 implies cos y by 2 equal to 1 upon root 5. Now, as we have discussed that y by 2 belongs to which quadrant? Second quadrant, and in the second quadrant it is always negative. So, we will be putting minus sign. Cos y by 2 equal to minus 1 upon root 5. Now, I hope that you will be able to solve the questions. So, this completes your exercise. If anyhow you find any difficulty, write in the comment box. We will be trying to solve the question further. So, till your next session, bye bye.